Yeah, man.
How's it?
Hey, zuri.
Aiwa, bobo.
Anditi. Mdaraka. Motikari. Ichiri PaAltezza here kana kuti zvazvinhu zvamakati pana.
Kachiri PaAltezza ka project keda
Hawo mana
akasati kasvika patiri kuda but
gentlemen samuri motikari yasati yakwanisa kutobvisa zvimwe. All right. So
katori munzira kutosvika chaipo patiri kuda chaipo.
All right. So chimbotudza something chekutanga. All right. Vari kuona chekutanga ungada kutanga uzoti German vanombonzani and mane time yakareba sei mune motikari?
My name is Tinashe. I'm trying to think how long. I think I've had 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah, but when I got it, obviously it wasn't, like that. Initially it was silver.
All right.
When I got it, the first thing that I started to work on was suspension. Before we even started adding all these extras, because all this is extra stuff.
All right.
I added afterwards. So basically, the idea in this project is I'm not trying to build something to race with. It's more of like a show car. And despite what I've done so far to it, the end goal is to put a turbo in this.
All right.
Yeah. So slowly working and getting the stuff that's needed. That's why even this part we opened it up, because that's where the front mount intercooler is supposed to be, the bottom part, because it's supposed to have a grill there.
Okay.
But majority of the stuff, it's all imported. Like the front lip, it's a Grady style front lip. This is from usually it's on Lexus's the IS300.
Okay.
The kit, everything else, it's standard TRD kit.
Alright, I'm wrote my kit in that.
Which is the side skirt in here.
Oh, right. My droppers.
Yeah.
Alright.
But some of the stuff like we did on our own, like this. It's actually just
spoiler.
Yeah, that I did and put the all myself.
Alright.
This I did that all myself as well, by myself. These vents, came up with an idea and just basically did it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
And stuff like I want to show you actually something. You see, when you look, the drum calipers, even same with the front. This I do on my own. Same thing with the engine bay.
On your own, like building it on your own.
Yeah.
Hey. And you know, something which is obviously eye-catching on this car. On this car is the color. Hey, who did this painting for you? Because this is too much.
The paint was done by this guy called Chikora. He's based in Greendale.
Munom Zimbabwe. Mwarare munom.
The other guy is good. I think this is the third car that he's done for me.
All right.
Yeah. And to be honest, I'm always happy each time he does. Most people actually think this is a rap.
All right.
Yeah.
It's not a rap. It's yakato paintiwa.
It's actually paint. Yeah. Because what it does, so I use when the sun is there, in a cow. How can I explain it? The paint actually in a dip. Yeah.
All right. So timboenda mukati, because I know very well that people are now curious kuti mukati makamira sei.
So interior, like I said, it's still a work in progress. Interior, like you look at like this, right? This is not the stock lining usually PaAltezzas have. This is DIY as well. I did this on my own. Same with the pillars and the roof lining, the suede. I did that on my own. Same thing with those knobs as well. I was looking for a color to play with, so I took that thing apart and I just basically put that.
Hey. But chimbondudzai. Motikari iyi pamakaitora ndidi. How much was it? And Osnes kana muchiipa price. Ingaite price yekumamari ozvino roughly around how much?
When I got this car, I got it for about 2 point something.
Okay.
And I'm trying to think so far value. Okay, I'll just take a look at some of the stuff that I put into the car. Front headlights, you're looking at about 500 bucks, just
Okay.
the front headlights. And then the back set is like 350.
Okay.
Rims is about 800 without the tires. Front lip was $200 landed from States.
Mm.
And I'm trying to think something else that I actually put into. You know, problem is some of this stuff I tend to forget because we did a lot. Because like I know like stuff like the diff on this thing has been changed. The drive shafts have been changed. The front brakes have been changed as well. Been upgraded to a bigger braking system. Brake booster has been changed as well. I'm trying to think of something else. It's sitting on 10 Lawrence Springs Racing as well.
Okay.
So the drive, I don't want to lie. I'll be honest. Stroke suspension for these cars, it's not really stable at high speed. But with what I did, I tell you, it feels like I'm in a German car. It's stable. It
Hey.
takes curves like easy. It takes curves easy.
All right. So the engine here is a Beams 2000.
Beams 2000, yeah.
Yeah, but obviously it have been modified as well.
Well, not yet.
Mm.
We are planning on putting forged pistons, conrods. So far, what I've got, the conrods I have. What hasn't come in yet? I'm supposed to change the injectors because the stock ones have got 4 holes. I'm supposed to put 4 injectors. In terms of performance of this thing, like I said earlier on, I intend on putting a turbo kit on this. I'm getting a bolt-on, not anything that's fabricated. So in terms of internals, what I'm just basically doing, what I have at hand right now is cone rods. I'm yet to get the pistons. The turbo kit is supposed to actually come through and change the injectors from 4 holes to 12 holes for more fuel. Yeah, so yeah, but to be honest, like I said earlier on, I'm not intending on building something to race. I just wanted to have more of an oomph, and turbos basically sound nice.
Alright, so pamunofamba maybe chekupesira pamunofamba mimi nemotikari kwamunosvika vanhu vanoti kudii?
To be honest, every time I drive this car, because it's not my daily.
Yeah.
It's not my daily. Every time I drive this car and I park it somewhere, people always gather around and I'm always asked if I'm selling. Of which no, I'm not selling. I'm not selling.
Value yayona inogona kuzo. So value yayona ozvinezvi mungaipe value kumamari.
I
roughly tingati around. Not chaiyo ndozoti inogona kunetsa.
Well, the highest that someone has actually offered me for this car is like 15,000.
15,000.
Yeah, of which I denied.
You denied.
I denied.
Right?
Yeah, I denied the offer. I denied the offer. It's got to be honest, it's got a whole lot of sentimental value. For me, this is actually my third Altezza. Okay. But this was the first one that I've actually worked on. Yeah.
Yourself,
the first 2 were recent imports. So basically those cars, they came in already clean, and adding stuff like wheels, and it was just one of those things. But like with this thing, I think anything that can die on suspension on this car, when it came, it was dead.
All right.
The amount of work that we did on this thing is just I think I've gotten to a point right now I actually feel like a mechanic with this car.
So chimbo chekupedzira chimboinzwa kuti sound yayona yakamira sei. Guys, I think you can see motikari. Motikari ma1. Blood of Jesus. Yeah. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you so much. Nekumboti ratidza motikari iyi. Guys, next time chanatsoita chanatsoenda paroad nemotikari.
Oh boy.
Mumbonatsoona kuti paroad pachona chichinoitika. I think says
you can, and then just see, you can just come as well. One of those last things, you can take a look at the trunk. Yeah, it's got a good sound system. That's me being modest.